The parts of ourselves we choose to ignore or keep hidden from others, according to Carl Jung, can actually reveal not only our true selves, but also our life's purpose. I'm about to share with you how it works. Shadow work is a concept that has been explored by Carl Jung, a renowned psychologist, and it's all about revealing the hidden aspects of ourselves that we're not even aware of. It's about confronting our dark sides, our weaknesses, and our fears, and embracing them as a part of who we are. But why is this so important? Well, the truth is that our shadows hold the key to our true purpose in life. By acknowledging and accepting our shadows, we can access a deeper sense of self-awareness, and that's when the magic happens. But there is also a dark side to it. Emotions such as fear, anger, sadness, and even shame are experienced by us as we start to practice self-discovery doing shadow work. Why does that happen? Well, because we're forced to confront the parts of ourselves that we've been trying to hide, even from ourselves. It's hard, but it's a crucial one because it allows us to develop a sense of compassion and empathy towards ourselves. We start to realize that our shadows aren't something to be ashamed of, but rather something to be embraced. One of the biggest challenges we face is the fear of being judged or rejected by others. We're afraid that if we reveal our true selves, people will abandon us or think less of us. But the truth is that our shadows are a part of what makes us unique and authentic. They're a part of our story. And only by being aware of that do we develop a sense of self-acceptance and self-love, but there is more. As we go deeper into our shadows, we start to uncover patterns and behaviors that have been holding us back. We start to see how our shadows have been influencing our relationships, our careers, and our overall well-being. It's like peeling back the layers of an onion. It's painful, but it's necessary. And that's when the insights start to arise. We start to realize why we've been stuck in certain patterns, why we've been attracting certain people into our lives, and why we've been holding ourselves back. But the most transformative moment comes when we finally embrace, when we finally accept our shadows. I know it's hard, but that's when we experience a profound sense of acceptance and love for ourselves. It's like a weight has been lifted off our shoulders, and we can finally breathe. We start to see that our shadows aren't something to be feared, but rather something to be celebrated. They're a part of what make us human, and they're a part of what make us unique. When we finally embrace our shadows, we start to see the world in a different perspective. We start to see that everyone else is struggling with their own shadows, and that we're all in this together. We start to develop a sense of empathy and compassion towards others. And that's when our relationships start to transform. We start to attract people who accept us for who we are, shadows and all. We start to see that our purpose in life isn't about achieving some grand goal or accomplishment, but rather about being true to ourselves. We start to see that our purpose is to live a life that's authentic and real. And that's when we start to experience a sense of fulfillment and joy that we've never experienced before. As we practice shadow work, we start to see the profound impact it has on our lives. We start to see how it's helped us develop a deeper sense of self-awareness, self-acceptance, and self-love. We start to see how it's helped us develop more meaningful relationships and how it's helped us find our true purpose in life. So what's the takeaways? It's that our shadows hold the key to our true purpose in life. It's that by embracing and accepting our shadows, we can develop a deeper sense of self-awareness, self-acceptance, and self-love. It's that our shadows are a part of what makes us unique and authentic, and that they're a part of what makes us human. So if you're feeling stuck, lost, or uncertain about your purpose in life, I encourage you to do this work. Reveal the true you you've been hiding for so much time. It's not easy, it's hard, I know, but it's a crucial one. And if this video helps you today, share your own experiences with shadow work in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on spiritual, psychological, and philosophical principles to help you create the life and reality you desire by doing what it takes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.